Gabby here, and today I have a video that truly I never thought would happen. One of my favorite companies that I've been shopping at for years reached out to me over Instagram, and I have a cute little package to unbox with you all, and I'm so excited. As you can tell from the title, I have my very first honeycolor sponsorship. I've been shopping honeycolor circle lenses like since I started cosplaying and like wearing lenses with cosplay. So like I've been wearing their lenses for like 5 or 6 years now, and they DM'd me on Instagram and I was like, this isn't real, but I have a package. I'm so excited. But before we get into the lenses that they sent me, please leave a like and subscribe, because then I will know you want more contact lens reviews, unboxings, trying on different cosplay lenses. Also, full disclaimer, they are not paying me to make this video. They literally just let me choose what contact lenses I wanted, and I have a coupon code, but I'm not receiving commission. So literally these are my 100% honest opinions on these lenses. And again, I've been shopping there for years, unsponsored, and have always recommended their lenses. So let's get into the package. Here's what the inside of the box looks like. We have a little thank you card, and then all the lenses inside. So let's get into it. Yeah, I got 3 pairs of lenses. Very exciting stuff here. I hope it says what the names of them all are in the box. If not, I will write it in the video because I don't necessarily remember what I got. And then it also came with 3 cases. I do wish these were the cases that had a clear top, just because it's kind of hard to tell then what is inside unless you open it, and you don't want to open your lenses too much because then they can dry out, but you should always be changing your lens solution anyway. So what I'm also going to do, I'm going to insert the picture of the listing so you can see what the lenses look like on the website. The first pair that I have here is the Say Yes Dancing Green from the brand, I'm assuming Viscon, which I've never used before, so I'm quite intrigued. And I got them to potentially be lenses for Ayumu, because she kind of has like greenish gold, some weird in-between colored eyes, and I thought these could be a good option. I'm not going to be able to show you them until I film B-roll, but they're like green with like a gold ring around the middle, and I'm very excited to try them. And again, I got them in 00. All the lenses I am showing have 1 year wear time. What do you call it? Like, there's daily, monthly, and yearly replacement lenses. These are all yearlies that I got because I prefer to buy yearlies. So those are pair number 1. Then we have pair number 2. These are the Vasen Rainbow Eyes in pink, which I don't think I necessarily picked these for a specific character. I just thought they were really interesting to look at. As you can see in the picture, they're like pink with like flecks of orange in them, and it's like very much like a starburst design, which I don't think I have any lenses like, so I'm super excited to try these out. And again, these are 1 year. Very excited to try them. I've used Vasen colors lenses before and I've really liked them, so I'm excited to try something new. And then the last pair is also from the brand Viscon, and I can't remember the name of them. I have bad memory. These are the Perfect Hue Luxe Gray. Now, I'm not wearing lenses right now, but when I wear lenses in videos, if it's not for a specific cosplay, I really enjoy wearing gray lenses. So I'm always getting new gray lenses to try out and see which ones are my favorite, because ideally I would love to have gray contacts that I could wear on a daily basis. I really like how they look on me. And these are very interesting now that I'm looking at them. They have like a speckling in them of like a dark gray and a lighter gray, so I'm very intrigued to see how they look on. So that was the unboxing portion. I'm now gonna cut to future Gabby, who will show you how to properly put these in cases, and we'll be trying them all on and giving you her final thoughts and opinions. But based on how they look, also they all came in these little bottles, which I'm not gonna lie are my least favorite way to open contacts. I have a really hard time opening these, so That'll be fun. I always end up cutting myself whenever I try to open these. I prefer the little like peel kind, so that's okay though. But they all are well sealed, nothing is leaking, and that is always something I worry about with contacts. If something is broken or damaged, do not put it in your eye. Don't do it, don't do it. But I am quite pleased with how these all look. I'm very excited to try them all on. So yeah, I'm gonna set them up in solution, wait 24 hours, and then we'll try them on in my eyes, and I will film close-ups with one in my eye and then one not in my eye so you can see the difference in how they look. So yeah, I'm excited. I hope you are excited. I hope y'all like how these lenses look. I'm quite optimistic. Alright, Future Gabby here to wrap up this video. As you just saw, I have put the lenses in solution for over 24 hours, so it was safe to now put them in my eyes. And yeah, I will be inserting clips of the lenses on my eyes as we're talking about them. Overall, I'm super happy with all of the lenses I received. They all showed up on my eye color, as you will see as I'm going through the clips. We'll start with the gray ones, were the first ones I tried on. Oh my goodness, for how weird they initially looked to me with like the speckled spotted design, I really liked how they looked on my eyes. I need to check if they come in my actual contact lens prescription, because if they do, I will get these to wear on a daily basis. They're so comfortable, super breathable, very easy to put in, which I can honestly say about all of the lenses. They were all very easy to put in and take out, even with my insanely long nails, and were very, very comfortable on my eyes. Next, we'll go on to the pink brown lenses. Now, I will say the brownish part of the pink lenses kind of blended in with my natural eye color, but I did think they were really cute. I thought they could be a really nice daily lens as well, that I could wear to kind of have like an extra pop of pink. Like say I'm wearing like a pink outfit and then I have pink in my lenses. I think that could be very cute. I really want to start wearing lenses like as a daily accessory instead of just for cosplay, so I also think those ones could be very easily worn. And the last ones are the green ones, which I was super surprised by how opaque they were. I was kind of worried because usually those like natural looking lenses sometimes aren't super opaque, but they showed up really well, and I'm very excited to use them for Ayumu. And I don't know what other character has like this type of eye color that I want to cosplay, but I'm hoping I can find another use for these because I think they're super, super pretty. I was very shocked at how much I liked them on actually, just because again, didn't think they would show up super well, and the fact that they did and looked really nice was very shocking to me. I was very, very pleased with them. All three pairs of lenses I will have linked in the description, along with the coupon code that honeycolor sent me. I am just letting you know that this coupon code is there. I'm not making any commission off of this video. I just want you to get a deal as well, because I think these lenses are very good quality, and if you are looking for good daily lenses or cosplay lenses, I think honeycolor is a great place to check out. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, yes you, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's right there. Woo! And in the comments, let me know which of the three was your favorite. Honestly, I think the gray ones are my favorites, which I wasn't expecting. I thought I was not gonna like how they looked on, but I really, really liked them, and again, they were insanely comfortable. Follow me over on Instagram and Twitter to see these lenses used in future cosplay content. Anytime I use lenses, I always link the store, and I'll try to list the design name as well, so then you have an easier time checking them out for yourself. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!